So g'day, and lots of coins. Are we going to talk about them? No, we're going to talk about this blank piece of paper that we have here. What I'm going to do is just dump some coins on there. So this is the world lot that I haven't gone through since, I don't know, since November or whatever, and still a 4 kilo pack. Let's chuck a few more in there, and as you can see, with the other ones that we had before, most of these are currently circulating coins. So we have a Canadian $1, the maple leaf, this is a loonie. This one's 2015, so this is just a standard $1 coin. In uncirculated, probably only worth a few dollars. So this one, yeah, just a few dollars. I like to put these together in groups. Actually, I like to put all these together in their country groups, sell them as a bundle. So I might keep that one. It's actually pretty good. Then the Solomon Islands. So this is another current coin from the Solomon Islands. Bit damaged. So obviously these circulate well. 2012, 50 cent. That's worth about 10 Australian cents. Okay, so if I don't say a value, they're usually worth $1 or less. Okay, current Japanese 100 yen, equivalent to about $1.50. AC 24, so 1988. That's about 2012, something like that. Yeah, hopefully I go to Japan during the holidays. Okay, here we have another Fiji coin, 5 cent current coin. This is the best coin series of Fiji because have a look at that side. That's beautiful. Nukaworo. That's the smallest coin you'll get in Fiji. Then we have a current $50 coin from Taiwan. That's equivalent to about $2.50. And I like this one because, you have, there you go, you got 50 there. Turn it around. You've got 50 in Chinese characters, so you've got 5, 10, so 50. And 50 man. No, not the Mandarin is. And this guy is Sun Yat-sen, the first president of China. So I've got two dates, 2005, and we have 94. So you can work out the date system in China from that. And then we have Singapore coins. How many Singapore coins have we got here? Oh. So these are the current Singapore coins. So we've got 90 cents. I've got dollar, $1.10, $1.60, $1.80. Any more? Okay, it's only $1.80. $1.80, $2.30. So obviously some people love Singapore, and as you can see, I've got two different series. So with the 50 cent coin, got the older and newer series. Copper nickel, this nickel plated steel. I know, I like the new series for some reason. And, but these are all pretty much just face value. I've got a whole heap of these. Got about $30 of 20 and 10 cent coins. I need to take back to Singapore and spend them. They're virtually impossible to sell. And yeah, Singapore coins are pretty common because lots of tourists go there. Okay, so we've got the 50 cent coin from Taiwan. Then we have the 10 cent coin. So this is the current coin of the issue. And we've got the emblem of Taiwan. Got the description up there, Taiwan. And if we turn it around this way, you got the map of Taiwan. So let's just say Chinese Republic. And this one has also Sun Yat-sen 101. This one looks like a dye fill. So what I'm talking about, is it? Might not be actually. That just says Chinese Republic 101 years. And that's a nice coin. So you can actually get two different types of coins of $10 in China. Yeah, China. It is China. That's what it's called. China, Republic of China. Okay, so we've got Indonesian coins, 500, got 100. Is there any other ones? No. That's a bit strange. A lot of people in Australia like to go to, I don't know, here's a 1,000 rupiah. So they use rupiahs in Taiwan. Not Taiwan, China. Oh, fuck. How can you get the country's name wrong twice? Indonesia. Sorry, I was thinking about something else. And that one's a bit circulated. 2010, 2009. And here we have the larger. So this is probably the largest aluminium coin in circulation, the 500 rupiah, equivalent to about 5 cents. Okay, so we've got some Chinese coins. Got 1 jiao, got 1 yuan, 1 jiao, and that's about it. So there's pretty common coins. Nickel plated steel. They reduced the size of the Chinese coins in 2019. It's not really worth worrying about that. Okay, we've got Malaysia. We've got a Singapore $1. I didn't say before. Malaysia current 10 cent. And as you can see, it's got doubling on the side, but that seems to be pretty normal for this issue. And Singapore $1 equivalent to $1 Australian dollar. But in this condition, it's probably sell for $3 or $4. Then we have some Hong Kong coins. So got a $2 and $5. It's equivalent to about $1 Australian. These ones I'll probably just take back and spend in Hong Kong when I go in. Whenever. And I'll say when I'm going. People go, oh, his house is gonna be so yeah, let's go and see what we can take. Okay, then we have a current Singapore 5 cent, smallest coin. Is that rotated? Oh, no, is it? Let's have a look. Nah, not a rotated coin. But as you can see, the aluminium bronze is pretty thin, and that black stuff is actually the steel toning. These coins, once they break through the cover, are going to corrode very quickly. Then I've got another $50 from Taiwan. Not really. Only worth $2.50. I got some more Canadian $1 coins. So I go on one from 2008. And you can see, I think it's 2012, they changed the actual design a bit. They removed the date to the other side. They put a maple leaf with micro printing on it. They kept the shape the same, and loony. And on this side, they removed the logo because that is on this side now. And they put the date underneath, corners of the second. I think these are aluminium bronze plated steel. And here we have a one from 2008. This is a commemorative one for the Olympics. I'm not too sure what the mintage of that is, but I don't. I did get another Canadian coin, but I don't think it was this one. And then we have a United States quarter. And that's P for Philadelphia. What does commemorate? Okay, it's South Dakota, 2006. So I don't have this coin. I have a pheasant or something flying on the. Need to look up what that bird is. And these are 4 presidents. Can't remember which president. I think one's Lincoln, one is Washington. I don't know who the other 2 are. They're a pretty common coin. You should be able to get in the USA. And here we have a Italian, so Republic Italia 2015. R for Rome, as a top of probably a cathedral. And 2 euro cents. So worth about 2 euro cents. So let's get on with it. Okay, we don't usually get African coins, but I don't have this one. 210, 20 shillings from Kenya. This is equivalent to about 20 cents. And these ones have Kenyatta. So they have changed the coins that they issue in circulation. So these coins still circulate, but they're no longer minted. You can probably still get it steel on the outside, aluminium, bronze in the middle. So one's going into my collection. Another Japanese coin, this is a 1 yen. Showa 53, so probably from the 70s. Worth about a cent. Is there any other Japanese coins? No, I don't think so. And then we have this. This is a copy token of a 10 cent from Indochina. The original coins are a bit expensive, especially if it's 1901. It's probably a low mint and probably franchise. So this is not a real coin. You just find these jewelry shops. So someone's actually cut it off. Yeah. Then we have Papua New Guinea. There was another Papua New Guinea coin. 10 toa and a 20 toa, 2001. As you can see, it's gone black, so the nickel covering has been removed, and the steel underneath is starting to corrode. So obviously that's probably been run over by someone on the road or whatever. Here's one 2006. So that will suffer the same fate sooner or later. You can see how the steel is starting to go black. So when you've got nickel-plated steel coins, which a lot of countries are doing now, in their archaeological record, they probably won't last too long. Okay, got some UK coins, got a 10 pence and a 5 pence. They still circulate, but they changed design 2008. 2008? Can't remember. These ones are copper nickel, but now they just issue nickel-plated steel. So these have been removed because the nickel content's quite high. And then we have some Thailand coins, 1 and 5 baht. Still circulate, but the designs change. Face value of this one is about 25 cents. This one's about 4. They both have Rama the 9th. Here's another one. Actually, it can look quite like it's not 5 baht. As you can see, it's got a copper core. So this one will last longer in the ground than a will. A nickel plated steel. Then, we've got more Fiji coins. Okay, and we've got we've got 2 5-cent coins. It's the Animal series. There's the Queen Elizabeth nickel plated steel. Once again, once the nickel is gone from the top, start to corrode like this coin here. And this will be Elizabeth II because it doesn't have the name of the implement, which is just the whale tooth on the top. As you can see, this one's starting to corrode. And here we have a $1 from Fiji, Sakamoli. Whoops, dropped it. And this one, 2009, so about $1 million minted for that one. I've got all those coins, so I don't really need to worry about them. Okay, then we've got a 10 cent from Hong Kong, worth about 2 cents. Going to spend that in Hong Kong. It's just a nickel plate, brass plated steel. Then we have Philippines coins. They change their coinage, so this is the brass plated steel. 2014. And this side just has the seal of the central bank. I don't like that. Not really worth that much, that one. Okay, current coin of Hungary, 10 foreign, equivalent to about 5 cents. BP down below is Budapest, and here we just have the coat of arms. 94, one of the high mints. Nickel, copper nickel coin, and Hungarian coins are nice. Okay, here we have an Argentine coin. So it's a 1 peso. So this one celebrates independence. And here we have the emblem of Province del Rio de la Plata. That's around where Buenos Aires is, the capital. So as you can see, this is well circulated. But these don't circulate anymore because they changed the coin to the smallest one. It's about 120 pesos equals $1 now. So really, these have no value except for whatever the middle value is. So anyway, it's not bad. So that's the coat of arms of Argentina. Actually, that's the coin. Is it 8 reals? 8 sols? Anyway, don't worry about that. Okay, then we have Sri Lanka changed their coins in 2017, 2018. The 5 rupees of the former series, equivalent to about 3 or 4 cents now. As you can see, it's starting to corrode pretty bad. This is probably a brass plated steel version. And not really in good condition. It's only worth face value, but you can see the streaks on it, so that probably has a little bit of a grease strike. Then we have a current coin of South Korea, and has a bird, equivalent to about 60 cents. Pretty common coin. We have 2 coins of India. So this one does still circulate. This one's been reduced in size, but they did change the design, and we have the rupee design up the top, or the emblem. These are just steel coins, so these won't last long if you lost them in the ground. And as you can see, this is a poor quality minting. This coin's pretty much uncirculated. Not really worth much, those two. A former coin of Greece, 5 drachma. Yeah, probably worth less. Looks like a little bit of a ghosting. So the reverse design is coming through on the obverse. Not worth that much though. 2013, so this is a UK coin, and I quite like the big rims on it. It's only worth face value really. Copper nickel, not bad. So what ones you're looking for is, I think it's 2008 without the date. Anyway, it's not really worth that much in the first place. Okay, then we have another Chinese coin, 2015 1 yuan, blah blah blah. Oh, another coin you don't see, but still a popular tourist place because of some of the archaeological sites. So it's quartered in from Jordan, equivalent to about 50 cents. Yeah, I think it's like half a dinar equals $1 Hashemite Kingdom of Jordan. No minting, and this one is the current king. Is it Abdul or whatever? Can't remember his name. So this is probably worth $2 or $3. Not really a common coin to actually buy. And the last two we have 1 and 2 Australian cents from Australia. 89 and one is 74. Yeah, not really circulated. So this one's in pretty good condition. Because in 1991 they took them out of circulation, and that was it. So a lot of these wouldn't have seen much circulation. But in 1974 this would have been roughly equivalent to about 20 cents. So it would have seen quite a lot of circulation. But this one's probably been dropped somewhere. Anyway, so that's my coin lot for this year. And really, the only 2 coins I'm going to keep are the Kenya and the Canadian coin. The rest of them are pretty much got. Anyway, I hope this helps you with your coin collecting. If you have any questions, leave it down below. And just have fun out there. Thank you and goodbye.